Grinch was now ready to start his big trip. He stood like a captain aboard a great ship. Yes, the time had now come to take off like a shot.
Here we go, Max. Let's see what you've got. What? Max? Max, are you okay?
Christmas inside. He had planned it and prepped it, big detail to small. Yes, he'd get rid of Christmas now, once and for all.
You take the outside, I'll take the inside.
He was ready to pounce and set the score right. He'd make up for the past, and he'd do it tonight.
Okay, now let's steal Christmas.
He swept up their presents with the speed of a whiz, and he knew he'd call Santa's. Only theirs now, not his. Excess and nonsense. It was all about greed, about meaningless stuff that they didn't even need. The Grinch went to work. He scooped up the toys. He raced against time. He raced against joy. Snags as he made his way through. An angry orange cat and a sleepwalking who.
Thank you, Mommy.
He stole pop guns and bicycles, roller skates, drums, checkerboards, tricycles, popcorn, and plums.